Hello friends, Pranjal teacher is back with new English videos. You are welcome in our second sem English poem 3.1 It Can Be Done. Before we start the poem, I would like to tell you some few points. There are two types of people in this world. One who find adversity in possibility and others who find possibility in adversity. The people who find faults in everything, in amount, able to be anything, they create nothing. Means what? For example, I will give one example of history. In history, when there was a invention of engine, people said that it will never start. And once it started, after that people started to say that it will not stop now. What happens? Such people create negativity and they will never accept the positive things. And because of such people, our world will be behind. So, here in this poem, poet says same thing to us. Let us start with the first stanza. The man who misses all the fun is he who says it can't be done. So, here the poet says that the people who says it can't be done, they always miss all the fun. They cannot enjoy their life because they always think about the darkness. See, there are two types of clouds, dark clouds and silver clouds. They never think about the silver clouds. They always think about the dark clouds, so that they always live in darkness only. They cannot enjoy their life. Second stanza. In Solomon pride he stands aloof and greets each venture with reproof. So here also poet wants to say that the people who says it can't be done, the person who says it can't be done looks very serious and important. He doesn't do anything and doesn't involve in any new thing. So, he has always very few friends. Their criticism is always good. But such type of people with city mind will create negativity. No matter whether the thing is excellent, they don't miss the opportunity to criticize. They just criticize the things. They don't want any invention, any new invention. So they always just stand separately. They don't involve in anything. Aloof. Aloof means separately. And in Solomon pride means what? Here is the meaning is looking very serious. Those who look serious, they will not do anything. They will just go on criticize the things. Means how the people behave. They will always give bad things to the people, always. But they will not create a positivity in anything. They will always give the negative comments to the others. And because of such type of people, our world, our India will be back. Third stanza. Had he the power, he would efface the history of the human race. So here also poet wants to say the people who had the power of such things, had he the power, he had effaced. So efface means remove. So if such people had the power to remove all the things, and even they will remove the history of the human race. Whatever is going till now, from the history till the today, whatever things are there, new inventions are there. These people, they have the power to remove this all. Means they will bring all the things back with all their criticism, and they will just